Hey everyone, welcome back to the AutoVesor. Today, we're diving into something really exciting: RAM in 2025. The tech world is evolving fast, and memory technology is no exception. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who loves high-performance computing, this is something you don't want to miss. So, let's break it down. Main content. First off, let's talk about the biggest changes in RAM technology this year. We've officially moved past DDR5 as the industry standard, and DDR6 is now making its way into high-end PCs and gaming rigs, with speeds reaching up to 12,800 ms. This is a significant jump from DDR5's max of around 8,400 ms. What does this mean for you? Faster load times, better multitasking, and an overall smoother computing experience. But that's not all. There's also MRAM and HBM3E becoming more mainstream. MRAM, magnet-resistive RAM, is gaining attention because of its ability to retain data even when powered off, making it a potential game-changer for efficiency. Meanwhile, HBM3E, High Bandwidth Memory 3E, is the go-to choice for AI workloads and GPUs, delivering insane speeds and efficiency improvements over previous generations. Now, let's talk about laptops and mobile devices. With the rise of LPDDR6, smartphones and ultrabooks are now more power efficient than ever. This means better battery life without sacrificing performance. So, if you're using a high-end smartphone in 2025, chances are it's running on LPDDR6, giving you snappier app launches and seamless multitasking. Gamers, I know you're wondering, how does this impact gaming performance? Well, modern AAA games are now optimized for DDR6, allowing for much faster texture loading, reduced lag, and higher frame rates, especially in 4K and even 8K gaming. The days of long load screens and stuttering gameplay are becoming a thing of the past. Plus, with high-powered memory optimization built into new GPUs and motherboards, gaming PCs are now automatically adjusting RAM allocation in real time for peak efficiency. But what about the future of RAM beyond 2025? Experts are predicting that optical RAM, which uses light instead of electricity to store data, could be the next big thing. This would mean almost zero latency and speeds hundreds of times faster than today's memory. While it's still in the experimental phase, some companies are already testing early prototypes, so keep an eye on that.